So at Magnomatics, in the last couple of years, we've actually managed to license our technology. So we've proven that there's a strong commercial pull for that. And as a result, we've taken more orders in the last 2 months than we took in the last 2 years. So the business is really rolling and progressing well. What we now need to do is work out how to actually manufacture this product, and that's why we're building a partnership with the AMRC. Magnomatics span out of the University of Sheffield back in 2006. So fundamentally, we're commercialising technology that uses magnets to make gearboxes. Why would you do that? They're very efficient and very reliable. So one of the next challenges for us is to actually make these magnetic gears in really large scale for offshore wind. This is the sort of magnetic gear that you might find in a hybrid car. For an offshore wind turbine, this needs to be about 10 metres in diameter. Now clearly that's a huge technical challenge. And we don't have lots of skills in composites. So we're already working with the AMRC to establish processes to manufacture this at that sort of scale. So all of Magnomatics' technologies are about sustainability, whether it's in offshore wind, rail or other sectors. So we have the technology, the AMRC has the ability to develop the manufacturing processes. So we're building a stronger and stronger partnership with AMRC on our journey to net zero.